this is Roger, thanks for dropping by. It is an unboxing video, but as it's not orchids, I'm not calling it an unboxing video. It is orchid related, what's in here, and because I know what's in here, that is a ridiculously big box. Ridiculous. Talk about probably the only one. However, what's in here needs a bit of an explanation, or one of the items does, but they'll both get explained. Ridiculous sized box. For what is 2 spray bottles effectively. So we'll get the box out of the way. Done. And then we'll quickly get these out. I hope they haven't leaked. Well, you can't say they weren't well wrapped. And this one has leaked. I wish people would do things up. Look, just turn that and it's tight. Right, so we need to go careful now, so I don't want to get that. Oh, too late. I'll cut off, I'm going to have to clear up. Right, sorry about that. Just wasn't done up tight. Now it sort of goes back to the seller for not checking, but basically it's a manufacturing fault, because obviously these are produced in some sort of production line and some mechanical device does the top up, or doesn't do it quite tight enough. Right, you might think, why the hell have I bought some more of this when I had, you know, a product that didn't work before? The one before that one was working. So I'm just putting that down to an eBay fake, and the product is actually okay. And several people in the comments have said they have used it successfully, and so have I. And this is so handy as a contact killer to just do like the base of a plant or something, providing it works, which the last one didn't. And because it lasts for quite a long time, the one that wasn't working was being used over quite a long period and not working. So scale were getting worse. So we'll give that a go. I still have the other one that I showed you, the sort of concentrate that I can mix up myself. The production date on here is 05/2021. That'll do. This was not bought off of eBay. This was bought off of what looks like a very reputable seller. That remains to be seen, but you certainly can't say they didn't have a good go at wrapping it well. I'm just a little disappointed. Quite often when you buy spray bottles, when they arrive, they've leaked. Keeping this one upright in case it's leaked. And I'm going to try and get it out of this bubble wrap, and if there is any leak it will be in the puddle in the bottom and it can stay there. Straight in the cardboard box which will go out. So I'm hacking my way in so that I can lift it out. This one looks dry. I think we're okay here. Yes, this one's dry. Oh goody. Right, and what we've got here, which is a little annoying that somebody's put a sticker across what I need to read, but it's not going to come off either. We'll see what we can do. You shouldn't stick labels across parts that might have information that people may want to read. As it happens, I don't. Right, so what I've actually got is a ready mixed fungus spray, basically the same firm, and again this is a systemic if used that way. You don't really need a contact version of a fungicide, but sometimes you do. Sometimes there is just like a couple of leaves that are getting a bit spotty. Well, that'll stop it, yeah? So that's what I've got that for. But the main reason for getting this one is to go back over the plants that have had or were suspected of having Fusarium. They get another treatment. Get a ready mix spray, saves me mixing up concentrate, and it means I can do those plants for that treatment as I come across them, as I water them. I don't have to do them all at once, whereas if I do the concentrate and mix it all up, I've got to find them all and get them out and deal. It's a big deal. Dealing with them as I go is not a big deal. So that's what that's for. This says 3-in-1 action. It says fights existing infections, so contact type, protects new growth and shines leaves. It covers things like black spot, powdery mildew and rust. It's just basically fungus infections. I doubt if it would deal with bacterial infections. Basically, by the time you spot a bacterial infection, it's normally too flipping late. Although sometimes you can catch it and confine it to the part of the plant that's got it bad and cut other parts of the plant off, give them a clean up and start them again. You might be lucky. But fungal infections can, they normally work slower, so they're not so bad. So that's what was in there, and that's the explanation of why I got those two. And they'll be used as and when. Good stuff. See you next time. Thanks for dropping by.